Hi to all the Form 5 students. Today, I would like to use a model to teach you the Earth. Okay, so basically this is the 3-dimension model for the Earth. Okay, so now I would like to introduce to you what is the North Pole. Okay, the North Pole is here. Okay, because the Earth is 3-dimension, so it's not easy for us to understand the 3-dimension if we didn't go in depth and understand. So this is 90 degree north. Okay, then we have the small orange circle, we have the green color circle, we have blue color circle. Okay, these two orange and the green are heading to the north, and then these two orange and the green are heading to the south. So the name for this circle is parallel latitude north. Parallel latitude north. This is equator. This is parallel latitude south, and then this is the parallel latitude south. So we have many type of a circle. So for this type of circle, the circle is center is here. Okay, so it's horizontal circle. This one is the center is here. It's also a horizontal circle. This one is also a horizontal circle. It's a blue circle, and this is so-called great circle. Okay, because the center of the Earth is here. The only center of the Earth is here. Okay, so this is the only great circle, horizontal one. Okay, this is parallel latitude, and its center is here. So this one, the center is here. So for this one, orange and green, they are not great circle because its center is not center of the Earth. Okay, clear? Understand? Okay, this is the great circle, and also we have many great circle for the longitude. Okay, so now I would like to introduce to you what is meridian. Meridian is actually one circle consists of two meridian, 1 and 2. So if we state the angle, then it becomes longitude. Okay, so normally for longitude, we will refer to one of the longitude, which is this one. How to read this? Greenwich Meridian. So Greenwich Meridian is assigned as 0 degree. Okay, so let's say this is the meridian that passes through Greenwich. Okay, Greenwich, one of the town in London. So this semicircle, okay, the whole semicircle until here, from south to north, okay, is having longitude 0. Okay, it's having longitude 0 degree. So we say 0 degree longitude, and the one just opposite to the 0, it must be 180 degree. Okay, this one, right? So why is 180 degree? I will explain to you. Okay, it got two longitude. So you see, if let's say start with the Greenwich Meridian. So Greenwich Meridian is 0 degree. Okay, here. So if 10 degree to the east, let's say I move this one. I move this one. Okay, so this is 10 degree east now. Okay, 20. So the we have many longitude. In fact, 30 degree east. If it is at the 30 degree east, so if we move along the east, all the point here are having 30 degrees. Okay, so if we move until, let's say, 40 degree here, you see, look at here, 40 degree. So this longitude is 40 degree east. So the whole semicircle here, all the point here, every point here until here also is having 40 degrees. So keep on moving to the east. Okay, we have how many degree? 60, 70, 80, and then you can see another 90, no, 100, 110, 120, 130, until when we move until here. Okay, just opposite to the semicircle just now with the 0. Okay, you will see that the one facing to 0 is exactly at 180 degree east. So the 180 degree east, this semicircle is just right opposite with the 0 degree Greenwich Meridian. So if you move this way, if you move to the west, okay, 10 degree, okay, you move to the 10, 20, 30, 40 west, to the west, okay, 60, you can move here, okay, along the equator or along the parallel latitude. So you move like that, the degree will keep on increase. Okay, so starting from 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and 180. So the 180 west and east will meet here. Okay, so it can be west or east, up to the direction that you move. Okay, so for this longitude, the longitude that just opposite to the Greenwich Meridian, it will have two names. One is 180 east, or the other one is 180 west. Okay, clear? Okay, no problem. Now, okay, so you actually understand what is longitude. So if let's say I move like this, okay, you see, I move to 140. Okay, 140 exactly here, 140. So let's say it's at 140, exactly 140 here for this longitude. So the one opposite to the 140, okay, opposite means it forms a great circle, should be how many? Just now it was 140 east. I say 140 east. I show you this one, 140 east. Okay, make it clear, 140 east. So the one just right opposite to form the great circle to 140 east should be 40 west here. So you see the angle is when you plus 40 and then 140 is, it should be getting 180. Only the direction will be opposite if they are forming a great circle. Okay, great circle means a circle. Alright, okay, so why it is having the angle like that, you just look at here. If this is 40 west, that means the semicircle is at 40 west. So the Greenwich should be here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Here. Okay, so 40 is here. So then from the Greenwich, you have to count 10, 20, the balance. Here 40. Right. So the balance should be 140, but the direction will be opposite. 140. Okay, you see here. I'll show you clearly. So you start 10, 20, 30 east, 40 east, 50 east, 60 east, 70 east, 80 east, 90 east, 100 east, 110, 120, 130, and 140 east. So that form a great circle. Understand? So then next time if I give you 140 east, you will say here is 40 west. Alright? If I give you 0, you will say the semicircle that forming the great circle will be 180 east or west. It can be east or west, right? 180 east or west. So it's here, 180 east or west here. Okay, So 180 east or west is facing to opposite to the 0 degree, which is Greenwich Meridian. 0 degrees here. Or let's say I give you let's say 100 lah, 100. I give you 100. Give you 100 west. Let's say I give you 100 west, so I put at 100 west. Okay, for this one, this semicircle is at 100 west. So the semicircle, the opposite, okay, to that is, okay, let's see, 100 west will be how many degree? This one is 100, this is 100. So the one opposite, just right opposite, will be forming the great circle will be 80 east. 80 east, so that you will form a balanced great circle like this. Okay, you will form a great circle like this. Okay, you can see the great circle means that they are forming a circle with the center of the earth. Okay, understand? Okay, I'll show you one more example. Let's say we turn a bit. Let's say I give you okay, I give you east, I give you 120 east. Okay, 120 east. This is at the 120 east. Where is it? 120 east. Okay, here. 120 east, right? So the semicircle is at 120 east. All the point here are having 120 east. So the one facing to 120 east will be, do you know what's the answer? Okay, 120. Let me adjust so that you can see the great circle. Okay, so you will see the circle like this. You form a great circle. So this is 120. Okay, 120 east. Let me show you. Okay, 120 east. Okay, it's here. It's here, 120 east. Okay, 120 east, so it's here. Okay, here, 120 east. So this one will be 60 west, right? Okay, so if you visualize from far, you can see the circle is a great circle like this. Okay, it's a great circle like this. So this, make it smaller. So this is a great circle. They are forming the great circle, whereby this is 60 degree west. Okay, and then this is 120 east. Okay, clear? Why is that so? Let me show you. Okay, you see, we always find out where is the longitude for Greenwich Meridian. So this is 0 degree. Okay, so if you identify your Greenwich Meridian is here. Okay, so you can look at here or look at here also same. Okay, I look at here. So I start from this point, I move to the west 10 degree, 20 west, 30 west, 40 west, okay, 50 west and 60 west. So this is the Greenwich, this is a Greenwich Meridian, and then I move 60 degree to the west. So this is a 60 degree to the west, and along the semicircle, this semicircle, all the points are having same longitude, 60 degree to the west. So okay, so this is 60 degree west. Okay, so let me hold it tight. Okay, so what is longitude is here for the Greenwich, so 60 to the west. So what is the other semicircle that opposite to 60 west? Okay, so why the direction will turn to east? Because you see, this is Greenwich Meridian, so 10 degree, 20, 30, so you're counting to the east, right? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. So it form a semicircle with the angle between them is 180. Okay, so let me focus to like this. So you can see the semicircle here. The angle is 180 and this is 180. That is why the direction will be opposite when they are forming the great circle. Okay, so make it firm. Okay, so is 120 and here is 60. Okay, so today I will try to explain to you the longitude for two meridian facing to each other. Okay, opposite to each other. So that is the important concept that you must understand. Okay, so for the earth it's not difficult actually, so you must have a good imagination. So if we talk about longitude, we will consider east and west. Okay, Greenwich Meridian is the semicircle that divide the earth, okay, to the longitude, to the east and to the west. So the equator is here. Equator is given latitude 0, neutral, no south, no north. So if you measure the angle above, you measure around 20, how many degree? Okay, if you measure up 20 degree, let's say you measure up 20 degree. Okay, so this is 20 degree north. So if we always have to measure from the equator. You see, I always use an angle and measure up. So if I measure up until here, this is the angle here, the angle here, angle between the pencil and the blue circle, the angle here is 70. So this one is 70 degree to the north. Okay, 70 degree. So this is called parallel latitude, 70 degree to the north. And of course here is 90 degree, because you see you are measuring, you just imagine that your pencil, your angle here is 0, 10, 20 degree. You raise the angle until up right here, so it should be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree north. All right, so same thing when you measure down from the equator, you measure down. So you measure down, okay, 20 degree. So this 20 degree south. You measure down from the center of the earth, okay, here, you measure down 70 degree. So this 70 degree south. That means this is 90 degrees south. So there is a difference of 20 degree between 70 degrees south and 90 degrees south. But the latitude is so-called 70 degrees south. You cannot say it's 20 degrees south, because the angle must measure from the equator, right? So that is called parallel latitude. So today I introduce to you latitude to the north and latitude to the south, and I also introduce to you longitude to the east and longitude to the west. And I also explain to you when they are forming a great circle, the two longitude, the summation of the angle between them must be 180 degree and the direction must be opposite to each other. Okay, understand? So basically you must have a very clear concept about 3 dimension before you can understand further to find the distance, right? Distance is actually just find the angle between the two longitude or between the two latitude. Okay, the important thing is distance. We have shortest distance, we have we have the distance along the great circle, and we have the distance along the parallel latitude. For this one, distance, if you travel like this, is actually distance along the parallel latitude. Okay, distance along the parallel latitude. And for this one is along the equator. This is a great circle. So this one, if you travel along the semicircle here, is a distance along the meridian or longitude. So okay, let's see for these two meridian. So if you travel from let's say it's 130, you travel to let's say 90, so you just find the angle between them. There's an angle 90 to 100, 110, 120, 130. Oh, that's called angle between the two longitude. So the angle between two longitude is the same, you just minus. If the direction is opposite, with plus. Okay, so I will continue with the distance for next lesson. Alright, so today we just stop here. Okay, enjoy my video teaching. Have a nice day. Bye. See you for the next video. Then we'll discuss about shortest distance about the parallel latitude, distance about the meridian, and also how to find the distance, time, and speed. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.